Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a really easy ombre nail tutorial. And to start off, I'm going to be taking Wedding Dress by iGel Beauty. And as you guys can see here, it's a really beautiful light pink color. It's a perfect base for any ombre or even French tip sets. So I just go ahead and apply a thin layer of this color to all of the nails. And I did go ahead and prep the nails and apply a gel base coat before the video started. So they're already prepped and ready for the gel polish color.
I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you'd put your love on me.
After the nails are done curing in the lamp, I do go ahead and apply a second coat of gel polish. And as you guys can see, for the second coat of gel polish, I do apply a lot more product just so that color could really show up.
Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow upon me. You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you've had your fill. Then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you know the deal. Oh, well, I guess that's what happens. The two fools be falling in love. Mixing some pain and some passion. Nothing is ever.
So while the nails were curing in the lamp, I was trying to decide on what color I wanted to use to do the ombre. And it was between two colors. The first one was Barbie Frosting by iGel Beauty, and the second one was Valentine by D&D. And this is the Barbie Frosting color. It's super beautiful. It's like a neon pink. And then the second one, Be My Valentine by D&D. It's kind of similar to that color. I would just say it's a little more on the pinky side. So yeah, I ended up going with the iGel one. So to do the actual ombre, I'm going to be taking a cosmetic sponge, and these are the sponges that I like to use. They're called the Wonder Wedge, I believe, and they come like this. And yeah, I get them from the dollar store. It comes with 32 of them. I really like them. I've tried other ones that don't really work well. So I will see if I can find a link on Amazon, and I will link them down below if I can find them there. And it's also important to get a little nail wipe so you could put the sponge on top of.
Yeah, take my hand, I promise to love again.
So as you guys can see here, I'm just taking the sponge and I'm looking for the highest point of the sponge because these are cut kind of at an angle. So I go for the highest part of the sponge and I start putting a little bit of gel polish just like that on the tip of the sponge. And here you'll see that I just pat the color on the very edge of the nails. So pretty much what I'm doing here is dispersing all the color at the very edge of the nails. Now as you guys can see, I did separate the thumbnail and I did not add no more product to the sponge. Just with the product left over, I'm going ahead and blending that color down towards the nail. And I'm softly pushing the sponge up against the nail, very softly. You don't need to go hard at all. And I'm going to continue this process with all the other nails, just gently pressing the sponge up against the nails, very gently. You don't need to put too much pressure because then it seems to leave little products behind of the sponge. And I've never had that happen as long as I'm putting gentle pressure on the sponge to the nail.
You don't even say what's up. Round your bush, back so tough. Like you never been in love. If you don't quit acting up, along this way, you don't enough. I promise. You may think that I'm crazy.
now I'm going to be taking a second layer of that gel polish and putting it right back on my sponge, just like so. And I'm going to do pretty much the same thing as I did previously. So I'm just going to dispense that product at the very edge of the nails, just like that.
Trust in me, baby.
So as you can see here, I went ahead and removed the thumbnail again, and I just started doing the same thing, just gentle patting motion on all the nails. I just start blending that downwards. There you go. As you see, it's already giving a very beautiful ombre look. And I go ahead and do that to all of the nails. I think the key here is just a gentle patting motion.
I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you put your love on me. Hey, boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel.
With your second layer, this is how it should be looking. Very beautiful. You can see that ombre. Now I'm going to be taking the gel polish straight from the brush, and this is not necessary, but this is what I like to do to really get that true ombre effect. I just swipe a little bit on the very edge of the nails again, just straight from the brush. And with that cosmetic sponge, the same one, I'm just going to go ahead and really try to keep that color on the top of the nails. I don't really blend this one too far down. I just let that ombre, look at that. It looks very beautiful.
Orbiting around and then circle back around to you, coming back around to you.
So after curing that, you're pretty much done, you guys. I just go ahead and top this off with the iGel Beauty No Cleanse Gel Top Coat, and look at the effect that you get after doing all those steps.
I'm coming back around, even on your worst day. Love you in the worst way, circling around for eternity.
As you guys can see, it looks so seamless. So don't worry too much about when you're in the process of blending and you see the little dots. After you put the gel top coat over the nails, it should look seamless. You shouldn't even really see those dots, as you can see here.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let humans cry.
So after curing in the lamp for a full 2 minutes, this should be the result that you guys get. I hope you guys really liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. I think I'm going to be putting out a video of how to glitter ombre.
Rain and thunder.